Hello class 11 Commerce. Today I am going to discuss your chapter 3 theory based accounting standard and Indian accounting standard. In this chapter our first topic is accounting principles. So first of all, what is accounting principle? So I am going to discuss about the accounting principles. Accounting principles means principles of accounting are the general law rules adopted or proposed as a guide to action, a settled ground or basis of conducted or practice. Simply, accounting principles are the rules adopted by the accountants universally while recording an accounting transaction. They are the norms or rules which are followed in accounting of various items of assets, liabilities, expenses, income, etc. Simple. Clear? Next is feature of accounting principles. Your first feature is accounting principles are man-made. Simple. Accounting principles are man-made and therefore they are the best possible suggestion based on practical experience. They are recommended for use by all enterprise to ensure uniformity and understandability. Second principle is accounting principles are flexible. Accounting principles are not rigid but flexible. Accounting principles are not permanent but change with time. Our third principle is accounting principles are generally accepted. Accounting principles are the base and guidelines for accounting and are generally accepted. The generally acceptance of accounting principle usually dependent on how it meet. It's clear? Now I am going to discuss some accounting principles or assumptions or concepts. Your first accounting principle or assumptions is going concern concept. What is going concern concept? Going concern concept, it is assumed that business shall continue for a foreseeable periods and there is no intention to close the business or scale down its operation significantly. It is because of this concept that distinction is made between capital expenditure, that is expenditure will give benefit for a long period, and revenue expenditure, that is one whose benefit will be consumed or executed within the accounting periods. On the basis of this concept, fixed assets are recorded at their original cost and they are depreciated in the systematic manner over their expected useful life. Next accounting principle is consistency assumption. According to the consistency assumption, accounting practice once selected and adopted should be applied consistency year after year. The concept helps in the better understanding of accounting information and make it comparable with that of previous year. Next accounting assumption is accrual assumption. According to the accrual assumption, the transaction is recorded in the book of account at the time when is entered into and not when the settlement takes place. Thus, revenue is recognized when it is realized, that is when sale is complete or services are rendered. It is the immaterials whether cash is received or not. Similarly, expenses are recognized are expenses in the accounting period in which revenue related to it recognized whether paid in cash or not. Next is business entity concept, principles. According to the business entity principles, business is considered to be separate from its owner. Business transactions are recorded in the books of account from the business point of view, not from that owners. Next principle is money measurement principle. According to the money measurement principle, transactions and events that can be measured in money terms are recorded in the books of account of the enterprise. Next principle is accounting period principles. According to the accounting period principle, the life of an enterprise is broken into smaller period so that its performance is measured at regular interval. The accounts of an enterprise are maintained following the going concern concept. Full disclosure principles. According to the principles of full disclosure, there should be complete and understandable reporting on the financial statement of all segments information relating to the economic affair of the entity. Next is materiality principle. Materiality principle refers to relative importance of an item or event according to the American Accounting Association. An item should be regarded as material if there is reason to believe that knowledge of it would be influence the decision of an information investors. Okay, students. Next principles are discussed our next video. Okay, thank you.